Let's read and write some action words. Crying,
रोना,
laughing,
हंसना,
running,
दौड़ना,
walking,
चलना,
playing,
खेलना,
climbing,
चढ़ना,
sleeping,
सोना,
writing,
लिखना,
reading,
पढ़ना,
eating,
खाना,
speaking,
बोलना,
singing,
गाना,
thinking,
सोचना,
smiling,
मुस्कुराना,
fighting,
लड़ना,
dancing,
नाचना,
swimming,
तैरना,
listening,
सुनना,
clapping,
ताली बजाना,
jumping.
उछलना.
Now write these all action words in your notebook.